Triangles ABC and PQR are said to be congruent if they are exactly the same size and shape. Being the same shape means that the angles are equal. So this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle, and note that this angle is marked differently to distinguish it from the one that's marked with just one arc, and this angle is equal to this angle. So if they're the same shape, the angles are the same. In order for them to be the same size, we must have that corresponding sides are equal in length. What do we mean by corresponding sides? Consider the side AC in this triangle. It goes between the single marked angle and the triple marked angle. The side PR does the same in the other triangle. So if PR is equal to AC, AB is equal to PQ. Note 1 marked and 2 marked in both triangles, and BC is equal to QR. Then we have corresponding sides equal in length. So if the angles are equal, then the triangles are the same shape, but corresponding sides may not be the same size. In this case, the triangles are said to be similar. For example, this angle equal to this angle equal to this angle, and this angle equal to this angle means the triangles are the same shape. But if this side AC is 10 centimeters and this side PR is 8 centimeters, and note these are corresponding sides, then the triangles are not the same size and therefore are similar, not congruent.